Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you a house, one of my designs. So this one is a bit different. So just look around, and I want you to give me your opinion in the comment section. So remember to like, share, comment, and if you haven't done so as yet, if you find this video useful or if you like my videos, please hit subscribe. So come along with me guys, I'm excited to show you this one. So the place kind of grew up, as you can see some grass around, but this is the front. And as you can see the concrete gutter bed going around. So this is the porch. And look at that arch. Really neat, guys. So you have a double wide entry door. So this space will be the living area. So if you guys notice, there's no interior walls, there's no partition walls. So I can't give you a house tour pretty much. I know this is bedroom number 1. This will be a bedroom. We only have the exterior walls, and all the pipe works are in. So this will be a bathroom, and that will be another room. So pretty much on this side of the house there will be 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. You will have a laundry area to the back, and you'll have a kitchen over there. So if you notice, there are some metal supports. So those were used because there's not any partition walls to hold the weight. So instead we use metal columns. So you have a 2-car garage, and over here will be the master bath. So as you can see, the pipe fixtures, everything was cast into the floor. Those are electrical pipes. So the fact that there's no interior walls, what we'll use is cement board or drywall. As you can see, the boards has been put up for the ceiling. So you can see that metal bolt, you can see the metal plate that holds the boards, the lumber secure. So a number of persons reach out to me asking if it's feasible to use drywall. So this is proof that yes, it is. This house pretty much only has exterior walls. Inside they will use drywall, like it's done in the US, in some parts of the US. and that's the concrete gutter bed. So all the water from the roof will pretty much go into the tank. There's a tank beneath the back porch. So this is a back porch. Back porch was slab. So in total, we have 3 bedrooms, a 2-car garage, living, dining, kitchen, laundry area, back porch, front porch. And as you can see, it's quite spacious. So to give you an idea of the width for the living area, so that's one wall, and it spans over there. So yes, guys, we do use drywall for partition walls in Jamaica. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching, and remember to just leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this house. Let me know what you think of the method of construction. If you found this video useful, just give me a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe if you want. So until my next video, guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace.